Good morning, everybody. Greetings from the Netherlands. So, join me as I do my cleanup this morning. My husband has gone to work, so I'm the only one at home. So, before I start my studies, I need to clean up everywhere. You can see how everywhere is looking. So, we need to put it in order. So, let us start. Hey, Google, turn on the lights. Yeah, the light is up. So, let's start.
Elegant without being rigid, and correct without losing your sense of dignity. Today,
yesterday, you and I worship you. Then I come to me, you are too bad.
For sweets, let's have it washed and then pour our sweets inside, okay? So I have just this two. I didn't know that this one, go village girl. I didn't know that this one is like this.
Let me down,
Let me wear.
but I still believe. Down for me.
You can add tasks from this massive list down here. 50% in. Be sure to.
I'm not getting my motor senses in them. One kind of different.
I have already finished this food. Yeah? And drink my drink. Ha! You go pay me if I no video anything and I sit down here and say they do content. Ha! I'm so tired and full.
This is interesting.